Okay, so recap super quickly. Change the color here. We also made sure we were transitioning between colors as well. And the reason for that was that we added a focus style here. So the icons will change colors whenever the input is focused. And here's the result. So hit tab and it changes color. All right, indicating that the input is in focus. Cool. I'm going to commit that. All right. So for the next part, we want to address these last two examples here for the indeterminate and indeterminate but disabled, right? And remember that we said we can't actually do this. We can't just add the indeterminate attribute here and expect that to work. We need to change that via JavaScript. And we're going to do just that. And let's do here, right before closing the body, let's add a script tag. And in here, we're going to import Vue.js and we're going to start using the CLI and we're going to, no, I'm just kidding. We're just going to use JavaScript for this. So we want to have an indeterminate input one. And this is going to be document.getElement by ID, the second option here. And we have IDs for them. So we'll use this one, my checkbox 5. And then we're going to repeat that, but for checkbox 6. All right. And so we'll do indeterminate input 1 dot indeterminate. And this is going to be true. And same for input 2. All right, and I'm going to remove these from here. We'll keep the disabled for the second one. All right, and once we've done this, we can go ahead and change the styles. So we'll go here and say, okay, there's another state where you are indeterminate. And again, we're addressing the label. And let's just for fun do our tomato color for the ones that are indeterminate. And you can tell that this is actually working. I have here the input, and you can tell there's no change in the attribute in the DOM, but definitely there is a change on the pseudo selector here. So that's one thing to keep in mind. All right. Okay, so let's move on. So like we did with the checked and unchecked icons, we need to add a content here. And we'll do content. In this case, the code point is 909. All right, looking good. And let's indicate that this is an indeterminate state even farther by changing the color. So it's not going to be white in this case, or whatever delete color is this, pinky. So we will do color, let's lighten that. And let's lighten the input color by, again, around 15% or something. Okay, so in this case, we are indicating this is indeterminate, but you'll notice that we have a pink disabled indeterminate state. And the reason for that is we actually have the disabled first, and then we are overriding the before and after over here with the new color for the indeterminate. And a quick fix to that will be to take this and then move it before we apply the disabled states. You see, now it is fixed and we have a gray indeterminate state instead of the pink one, the light pink one. Make sense? All right.